Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix open app indicators not showing on dock on Mac. So the small dot under dock icons help you quickly identify which applications are currently running. If these indicators have disappeared, it does not necessarily mean your app are not opening currently. In most cases, the feature has simply been turned off in system settings. Occasionally, a temporary software glitch can also prevent the indicators from appearing. So let's go through the possible fixes. First, click on the Apple menu and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock. And here, if you have disabled the toggle right to show indicators for open applications, then you have to enable that toggle. And if the toggle is already enabled, disable it once and enable it again. And check if the dots are start appearing or not. If they are still not appearing, restart your Mac once, and if the problem still continues, check if any software update available. macOS often release a software update related to bug fixes Apple users often report. So go to software update, and if any update available, update right away. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.